Hi there. Let's continue our conversation on Social Security. As a National Social Security advisor, I've worked for several years with advisors and clients, helping them really analyze a client's an individual Social Security claiming strategies to try to maximize this. We take a look at coordinating benefits with a spouse or an ex-spouse. And one of the things that is getting more traction is to delay taking benefits. So claiming Social Security and retiring do not always have to be at the same time. So there are some annuity solutions out there that will actually start income at a higher rate for the first few years, and then the income will decrease and stay level for the rest of the client's life. So this is just one of the strategies that we see as National Social Security advisors being leveraged to help fill that gap from when a client retires to when they start their benefit. If you have a client that's retiring and has Social Security questions, reach out to me. It's Bianca at the producers firm, 860-956-5377, and let's have a case discussion. Take care.